Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia Installer cannot continue in your Windows. If you use a Windows 10 or 11 and you encounter these issues when you install the Nvidia driver, you can continue the process. So the main cause or the main problem, the main issues of this problem is Nvidia installation cannot continue. Error. The graphic drivers that you are trying to install wasn't downloaded properly. So how you can fix it is you can stop the Nvidia GeForce experience. You can download manually here. So for example, you can download a GeForce version RTX 40 series, RTX 4070, Windows 10 or Windows 11, English. Download type is all and start search. So you can download the latest driver here. It is the release update August 6 since I made this video. This is the new version. Or if you use the older Nvidia driver, you can go to the nvidia.com download index, this one. So you can go to product type is GeForce, you can go for it and try to search your old GPU here. For example, GeForce 7 series, Windows, show all operating system here. For example, you're still using a Windows 7, and here we go. You can search a driver here. So for example, this one, you can try to search the older driver here, and you can download manually, of course. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.